Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will try to visually see the sorting login of selection sort, that is one of the data algorithms via Flutter. If you are ready, let's start. Firstly, let's write step by step how the selection sort sorts, and let's define. Okay, here I want to open up the command line for these steps. Okay guys, this is my steps for selection sort. This is my example list, and firstly, the first element of the array, so this is the 5, is considered to be the smallest element, and secondly, the remaining elements of the list are searched to find the smallest element. So this one, and third. The smallest element is changed with the first element of the array, and so this 5 changed to 1, and the first element is now sorted. I'm right, I'm changing the 1 to 5. The first element is the 1 now sorted, and the algorithm moves on to find the smallest element in the remaining unsorted element of the array. Okay guys, I want to first create my list, final my list equals list integer point generate 20 element and turn the index. Secondly, I write to my sorted function, I write to void selection sort. This function take the list integer and I want to each other elements search at each other elements. For this, I write to for my for loop int I equals 0 and list I smallest list point length I plus plus. After this, I want to set the minimum index int min equals I, and write a secondly loop for int j equals I plus 1 and j smallest smallest list point length j plus plus. This is my secondly for loop. I want to search the remain list smallest element, so that I write to condition if list j small list min equals j. Outside this secondly for loop, I set the integer temp equals list I, and list, this is the swap I equals list min, and list min equals temp. Okay guys, this is my selection sort function, and outside the first for loop I want to print my list, and I want to try the selection sort my list, and I am rebuilt. You see, this is my list, 20 elements, but I want to shuffle my list before the selection sort. My list point shuffle, and I want to print it, and hot restart. You can see first list, my shuffled list, my mixed list, and secondly list is shorted. I want to show you this process in the Flutter application, so that I write to in the body center and child column. Okay, run text, and first you write my list. My list is my list point join. Okay, you can see this is my list, and I set the bottom, the text size box height 14, and size box height, I set the height size box 300, and weight media query point of context dot size width 14, and child is sized box row. This row covered my list item. For this I write to for loop, and int a 0a small my list dot length a plus plus expand 10 8 15, and colors point blue, and child text list A and 2 string. Okay guys, you can see this is my element. I am sorting in the widget. I want to spacing between my items, and I draw container, sorry, and width 3, 8, 300, and colors point white. Okay guys, I want to adding the above the container expanded widget. Okay, you can see this is nice, and I want to decide 10 my list. Okay, nice. This is the row, cross alignment, and okay, this is good, guy. And I want to set this minimum index in the integer. I write to int min index equals to 0, and I want to set integer smallest font equals 0, and I set the integer surrogate index, and this is the equals to 0, and I hold to this minimum index in the minimum index. Min index is equals I, and I want to surrogate index equals to j, and I want to smallest font equals to min, and okay guys, and I want to write a smaller font equals to I again. Okay guys, I will check at the sort. I will check at the sort at these variables, and I want to so that I want to write to this container, this containers set the width if min index equals a, this is the 3, else 1, and min index is equals a colors point black, and white. This is my first line loop, and I want to adding this container in the colors min index equals a colors dot red and surgeon index equals a colors dot colors point green, and if smallest font equals a colors point black. And this is the blue. Okay guys, after this I want to edit the button for selection sort, and I write to both child and text button set and text selection sort and okay guys, this button is my the selection sort function. I am press the button, my selection sort is work, and I edit the style. Button style and background color material state property dot colors dot pink, and main axis alignment and space around. Size of box is 815. Okay, my function is working, but you cannot see. For this, I am adding the feature delay in the here and set state await feature point delay const action milliseconds 100. I'm adding the async. Okay, I want to edit the here set state and here set state and await feature delay feature point delay const correction milliseconds. This has become the 500. I want to see this my coding, and I press the selection sort. Okay, you can see this is the first smallest, and my first smallest is black, and surged founded is green, and first index for first loop uh, is red, you can see. And I want to add to this text style type color min index equal a colors point black, else surge index equals a colors point red. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, you can see this my function selection sort is working, and I want to adding the arrow uh, adding the arrow here, and I'm changing. I am adding the column, and if smallest font equals a const icons point arrow down circle down. I want to add here spacer. Okay, guys, you can see this arrow is signing the smallest font, and I again trying this function. This is my smallest elements. You can see. Okay, guys, this is the perfect. You can see that, and I want to adding the shuffle list button, and I copy it and write to shuffle list, shuffle my list, and I write to void function shuffle list, and my list point shuffle and set state. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, you can see this is uh, perfectly worked perfectly. I'm adding the center. Okay, guys, you can see this is my shuffle list button, and I am press this. Uh, you can see this my list is shuffled mixed, and this is the selection sort button. And press again for trying. Okay, my function is perfectly worked. Okay guys, that's enough for this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will push the codes of the project to my GitHub account. You can fit the link in the description of the video. Thank you very much for watching me.